Today I'll be at Novotel Hotel. There's actually a very fun place upstairs. A very unique place. It's actually called the Cardboard Kingdom. Let's check it out. Okay, so this is the place. It's called a Carton King. It's not Cardboard Kingdom. It's Carton King. So what do they have inside? But first off, there is something very unique. They actually have a cardboard train and with track actually laid out all over the shopping mall. You can see the marble floor is being so-called attached with the track. Okay, so it's very unique. So they actually have a make-believe cardboard shop. So what do they have at the cardboard shop? Okay, so it says it's a general store selling everything made of cardboard. Okay, let's enter and check out the store. So they have a lot of merchandise. Everything is made of cardboard. Oh, look at that. Look at all the cute little dinosaurs. Cute. They even have this piggy bank. This one looks like it's interesting. Let's play with it, see what you do. You push the ball a little bit. Wow, it really rolls. Not very smooth, but it does work. Okay, going down. Okay, so behind me there are some toys made out of cardboard. You have like a gun that actually shoots rubber band. Let's check it out. Okay, this gun actually works. You see? Take aim. Right. Okay. Wow. Okay, let me try the gun again to see whether it works. Oops. Oh, there's a misfire. Okay. Doesn't work too well. Okay, I guess some kids trying to ride on the train. Let's go and check out. Some kids trying to ride on the cardboard train. Okay, so how the train look like? It actually looked like this locomotive here, all fully made out of cardboard, and it really rides. Okay, I think the first train is gonna set off soon. The parents are sitting with them. I'll go and catch them at the other. Okay, so now there the train goes. Okay, you'll go run around the shopping mall. Okay, I guess the train is coming out from this direction. Okay, there's a few like unsuspecting bystanders standing on the train track. Based on the price plan, is about 13 ringgit to ride the train. Okay, now it's coming. Amazing stuff. This is the first time I ever seen a train made fully out of cardboard. This train is from Carton King. Okay, coming round. Interesting concept. Okay, at least it made the kids really happy. This Carton King also comes with a restaurant right at the back. Let's see what kind of menu they have. They have a breakfast set, some sandwiches, and a lot of sitting place. And the interesting part is that the chair is fully made out of cardboard, same as the table as well. Interesting. The train is coming back. It's right behind me. Going into the tunnel right now. Okay, this is the end of the tour of this Carton King for you. This place is actually located at Novotel Hotel, right beside the KSL Mall. So if you are keen to find out more about it, do check out this place. It's good for kids, and I think adults will be amazed at how cardboard can be used to make so many things over here. I'll see you in the next video. Cheers.